Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of MODV Incorporated, trading under the ticker MODV on the NASDAQ as of June 3rd, 2025. Let's dive into the stock's performance over the past year, exploring key indicators and trends to give you a clear picture of its potential direction. Starting with the price action, MODV opened at 27.25 on June 3rd, 2024, and closed at 2.20 on June 2nd, 2025. Reflecting a dramatic decline of approximately 92% over the year. The journey was marked by significant volatility, with a notable low of 0.8755 on May 15, 2025, and a surprising spike to 3.48 on June 2, 2025, indicating a potential short-term reversal or anomaly. Looking at the moving averages, the 5-day simple moving average stands at 1.29074. While the 5-day EMA is at 1.44727, both above the recent close, suggesting a possible bearish short-term trend despite the recent surge. The 20-day SMA at 1.20141 and EMA at 1.161 are also below the current price, hinting at a potential shift. Longer-term averages like the 50-day SMA at 3.06152 and EMA at 4.21105 show how far the stock has fallen from its earlier levels. Turning to the Bollinger Bands, the upper band is at 1.76238. The middle band aligns with the 20-day SMA at 1.20141, and the lower band is at 0.64045. With the current price near the upper band, MODV appears overextended, which could signal a pullback unless the upward momentum continues. On the momentum front, the 14-day relative strength index is at 70.76, indicating the stock is in overbought territory, a warning sign after its recent jump. The Williams percent are at minus 48.97 supports this, showing the stock is not deeply overbought, but still elevated. The MACD line at minus 0.01478, with the signal line at minus 0.13011 and a positive histogram of 0.11533, suggests a bullish crossover, potentially confirming the recent uptick. The stochastic oscillator offers further insight, with the 15-day stochastic K at 33.52 and D at 17.78, indicating the stock is in neutral territory after a sharp rise. The 5-day stochastic K at 50.99 and D at 43.81 reinforce this recovery. The commodity channel index at 328.27 signals extreme overbought conditions, aligning with the RSI's warning. The average directional index at 24.58 reflects a moderate trend strength, while the run up at 100 and a run down at 42.86 suggest a strong bullish trend with some downward pressure easing. The Arun oscillator at 57.14 further supports this bullish dominance. The 14-day average true range at 0.36811 indicates heightened volatility, with daily swings averaging around 0.37 points. Volume analysis shows an on-balance volume of negative 487,385, indicating consistent selling pressure over time. Though the recent volume of 102,031,804 shares on June 2nd marks a massive spike, likely driving the price surge. The Chaikin oscillator at minus 24.58 suggests waning buying interest despite the volume increase. The parabolic SAR at 1.14605, below the current price, confirms the recent uptrend, while the VWAP at 1.28482 provides a dynamic support level near the recent price. In conclusion, MODV Incorporated has experienced a steep decline over the past year, with a dramatic spike on June 2nd, 2025, pushing it into overbought territory. Momentum indicators like RSI and CCI suggest a potential correction, though the MACD and Arun indicators hint at bullish momentum. Traders should watch for a break above 3.48 for further upside or a drop below the 20-day SMA at 1.20141 for a possible pullback. Keep an eye on volume trends and market news for additional context. Thank you for joining this technical analysis of MODV. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.
See you next time.